Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying.
Hey Royals, so we're gonna try this Vlogmas thing, right? So uploaded a video I think yesterday for Vlogmas Day 1, just a quick little gift for him review or whatever. If you get a chance, check that video out. But I'm going to attempt this Vlogmas thing. I have been just out here in these Corona streets, dipping and doing it. As you can see, I have a little bit of holiday decor in the back that I'm about to go and deliver. And some of you have asked, like, where you been? Like, I was like pumping out videos like crazy, which I still plan to get back to that. But last week, you guys, your girl was like stretched to capacity. I could not, I just couldn't. I couldn't record, I couldn't upload. I had so much going on in that 7-day period. It was impossible. Because most of the time, your girl was looking like Cleo from Set It Off, and I wasn't trying to get it to the people. It's enough that I'm giving you, you know, unfiltered makeup or what have you. But I'm in work mode. When I'm in work mode, this is how you see me. So, I just finished styling a couple of trees, and I'm heading out to drop off this mailbox swag. And what's next? What's next? What's next? I just finished doing a bunch of deliveries before I did the trees, trying to get everything done because I'm technically behind my own personal schedule. My goal was to have everybody else's homes styled and made garlands and wreaths and swags and all of that by December 1, and I was going to kick out Vlogmas doing my whole house, which I still plan to do. So I'm just a few days behind the schedule, but we're going to get it done, okay? So dropping this off, I may try to get some footage of what this looks like. I may include some clips of what I've done. But I want to know if you guys would be interested in clips of, I guess, my deck in the hall, whole extravaganza. I shared some with you guys, a few trees here and there, a few swags here and there. But when I tell you, it was bananas. So there's so many more that I have not shared. I have been posting a few little quick videos on IG. So if you are not following me on IG, I would advise you to do so, because they get clips of just about everything that even they don't get all of it because I'm doing them like so back to back, but they get a whole lot more than what I can edit and upload to YouTube. Not that I don't love y'all, it's just IG is just like record, click, upload, done. You know, you can make a reel really quick, you can just go ahead and knock it out. So they get a little bit more. So if you are not, please join the Royalty IG family as well. So that would be really, really cool. I know some of you are, but a lot of you don't. I know some people don't have IG, but it would just be nice if I could get you all, you know, to see, so you can see some of the things that I'm doing. Because some of you have inboxed me, hey T, where you at? What's going on? I haven't seen you since the live, because that's the last time I recorded before the review that I did. I actually had that review already done, and I just needed to get it approved and uploaded or what have you. So the last time I recorded was the actual live, and y'all, that was bananas. I had so much fun doing that live with you guys, although we had technical difficulties and I had to end up doing 2 different videos, really 3, but one of them just didn't want to do nothing. So I ended up, there's 2 parts to that. So if you have not seen the live where I decorated the tree from start to finish, I was calling it Candyland, but I came up with a theme, and I'll give you the story behind the name of the tree once because I'm actually going to do a tour as to where that tree is going to be styled. So make sure you watch that video start to finish. I also did some hauls, sharing little items of where I got everything, because I didn't share it in the video that when I was styling the tree, I didn't share where I got everything from, because I had already done hauls to show the things that I was purchasing for the actual tree. And in the live, I was asking everyone to give their opinion as to what to name the tree, because outside I do Candylands. I didn't want to have 2 Candylands, so I asked you all for some ideas, and you all gave me some great ideas. Although the name that I came up with was not suggested by anyone on YouTube. It actually came from actually, it was inspired by one of the nephews, to be honest with you, because he was like, he wasn't feeling it for the fellas. So when he made the comment, I said, well, you know what, I guess it is. And so that's kind of how I came up with the name. I uploaded it to, what's today? This is December 2nd. And I uploaded a video of the tree, and in that video I reveal the name of the tree. But I'm gonna do an actual like tour of it and everything in the space that it is actually sitting in now, and there I will share the name and the theme of that said tree. So be sure to set your notification bells, because we got some stuff to do. Even though I feel like I'm behind in the YouTube world, I was giving you guys footage of Christmas holiday styling, but it wasn't my personal home. So I feel like I'm behind on getting my stuff done because I was so busy with the holiday styling. I'm not complaining, I was blessed, but your girl has now got to get her stuff together, and I am going to be taking you guys along. I don't know if I'm going to actually do the decorates with me for every space that I do, for every tree in my home, or if I'm going to just do like a tour and just share it with you all. But nonetheless, you will see the royalty home decked out for the holiday season. So what else? I'm trying to catch you guys up. I just feel like I've been missing y'all. I'm actually going to have another shopping haul coming, and I don't know if I want to do it as live or what I want to do as I don't know how I want to do it yet. I know I won't be like this. If I can get home in time to do a little face, put on a little face or whatever, and sit down and woosah, I may present y'all with a haul, and I may do it live, so I don't know. But I'm going to try to upload this. This is kind of late evening. I'm going to try to get it uploaded this evening because I do want to attempt the Vlogmas. Because it seems fun. I tried it last year. Your girl couldn't keep up, like doing 5 videos a day up until Christmas. I think it's up until Christmas. I know it starts December 1. I think it's 20. I think it goes 25 days. So we shall see. But it'll be fun nonetheless. So I will see you guys. I may just do, like I said, add a little clip of what I have done so far. I've taken pictures of some of them. Again, a lot of them I haven't. Well, I take pictures of everything that I do. But as far as video, I don't know. You'll see what you see when I share it at the end of the video, okay? So I'm gonna go deliver this, and then I've got to go back to one of my commercial jobs and do a little finishing up there. You guys, that commercial job, although this is my fourth year doing it? I think it's my 4th year styling for this particular building, and each year I do different, and each year I say this is my favorite, but this year, you guys, it is so absolutely beautiful. It's amazing how you can take the same ornaments, the same tree, the same setting, and get different results. And so I'm gonna definitely share that with you guys. I may even be able to get a little bit more video footage, since I've got to go back tonight, because I like to go there after hours, after all of the businesses inside the tower has shut down, and there's just me and the security lady, and we just kind of I can just kind of have that leisure to record that. So yeah, I will. But if I do that, it'll have to be on another video, because I'm gonna go, like I said, after hours, and they don't shut down until 5 o'clock. So yeah, I'll share that. I mean, I got 23 more videos to make it for Vlogmas, so you'll get it in one of these videos, and maybe this will just be a chit chat to say I'm doing Vlogmas. So what else? I'm trying to catch y'all up. I feel like I haven't talked to y'all, I haven't chatted with y'all in so long. I don't know. And it was last week, but a week from the royal family seems like forever from the royal family, to be honest with you. So even my husband, I was shocked. He was like, babe, you didn't pick up the camera all week. Babe, did you do your video, babe? So he has been like, because he knows it's such a part, y'all are such a part of my life, that I'm like, I gotta get my footage. So I gotta get something from the people. So he was like, babe, you haven't recorded anything. Y'all, I had in 1 week, and I'm not upset. I just was like, Trevina, I like working under pressure. I was like, do you like putting this extra pressure on yourself? So I had, let's see, starting from Monday, after I did the live on Friday, I did some holiday styling that Saturday. That's why I had to do it on Friday, because I had some trees to style on that Saturday. I had some trees to style that Sunday. Trees to style on Monday. Tuesday, I did salon work Wednesday, Thursday. No, I'm wrong. That was the week of Thanksgiving. So I worked, that was what it was. I worked Tuesday, Wednesday of last week for hair. And then Thursday, I did nothing because it was Thanksgiving. And we had you know what? It was Thanksgiving. So how was you guys' Thanksgiving? So for us, we we did it really small. We scaled way back because my husband and I was supposed to host this year. My family and I rotate the schedule, and this year would have fallen on me. And we love doing it. We love hosting all year long, but that was definitely the time we were looking forward to hosting. And with everything going on, the numbers here in our state just kind of like skyrocketed. And my mom was like, no, y'all come get your pies, come get your cake, your whatever, and I'm gonna see y'all another time. So my mom is like the best cook ever. And I know everybody says it, but my mama puts it down in the kitchen. So really, my family pretty much can cook really well. All of us can cook really well, but my mom, Lord Jesus. So everybody has their favorite dish that my mom does. So she told everybody, come and get whatever your dish is, because even though my husband and I were hosting, each family will bring a certain dish, and we just kind of do like a whole potluck style. So I was like, Mama, I'm gonna need to get my, I'm gonna need to give her goods, because my mom makes the best greens ever. So I went down Sunday because I had to do some styling down there. That's what it was. Sunday I was down there doing some styling, and so we had to go by there and help her do some home decor stuff. And my husband had to help her do some things around the house, and she did our greens for us, and we just brought them back from frozen or whatever until Thanksgiving. So then Monday I styled, and then Tuesday, Wednesday I was in the salon where I worked, and then Thursday was Thanksgiving, and then Friday, Black Friday, I did a 40th birthday party. It was a Denim and Diamonds themed birthday party. It was so amazing, so cute. The guests of honor is all kind of fabulous. He's my first cousin, but I style everybody as if I don't know you. I'm styling as if Jesus was coming to the party. That's how I look at it. So yes, it was all that. It was so beautiful. And so I had to set up for that all that day. And you guys, everything that could have gone wrong went wrong for that particular that event. Like everything. I reserved a truck because in addition to the Denim and Diamonds party on Friday, that's when I start my biggest project, which is one of the commercial jobs. I do that every Saturday. We have that set and contracted for the next 5 years. The weekend after Thanksgiving, I go and style that, and it's pretty much a 2-day project because it's so big, and I'm doing multiple areas in the facility, right? So I had scheduled all this stuff on myself, like back to back to back. It was insane. So my husband was fussing, you're doing too much, you're stretching yourself out, you're gonna wear yourself out, blah blah blah, all of that. My mama was fussing, my daughter was, everybody was fussing, but at this point, like, hey, it's on the books, people have paid, we gotta deliver. You hear me say we had to deliver. So of course they're not gonna let your girl down. They were right there for me. My daughter, my cousin, my husband, they come through for me every time. I love them dearly. So Shawana, if you watch it, I love you. Akina, if you watch it, I love you. Baby, if you watch it, you know I love you. So yes, I love them. They hold me down. So we made it through the week. Now back to the story. Everything that could have gone wrong, you guys, for that Denim and Diamond party went wrong. Even though we pulled it off by the hair of our chin from the top of the day. I had reserved a truck because I had both events scheduled back to back. I thought, just get a truck, load them up. They're across town. I have everything loaded, and we can just, do everything in one loading or whatever. They gave a truck away, y'all. I get to the U-Haul place, and my truck is nowhere to be found. So I had to get this big, massive truck. And so hubby could not drive because he had to work. So he was going to help me load, get that part done, and then he was going to be on me and the girls to get, everything else done. He did all he could do, but he had to go to work. So now I'm driving around this big monster truck because they had given my truck away. Then I had to go pick up some rentals for the backdrop. They were not there when they were supposed to be there. I couldn't pick it up until later in the day, which delayed my setup time. So then we get to the facility, and the gentleman told me that they were going to have the space cleared out. All we had to do was come in, set up, and style, right? Get there, y'all. We had to remove front. Oh my God. And it was just my daughter and I at the time. So we had to clear out the space to set up the space. So that in itself was like another hour delay. So it's like at this point, time is ticking, and you want to give yourself enough time to set it up, make any tweaks if necessary, all that type of stuff. So when I tell you, it was bananas. So we were able to pull it off, like I said, by the hair of our chin to chin. So we made it happen. The guest was happy. Everybody had a great time. The pictures would look amazing. So that was that. So then I get to my my commercial project. It's running smoothly. Everything is good. And so now I'm like woo-sign. I'm catching up to myself. So I think, right? So I get home and I look at my books and I'm like, wait a minute, how did you? Y'all, I had scheduled, or had promised 20 orders to people by that weekend, like garlands, wreath, swags, and I told them, oh, I have it ready for you after Thanksgiving. I'm saying that to everybody, not realizing you got a lot planned. You got the Black Friday and the commercial job was gonna take Saturday and Sunday. So all day Monday, like really, son, I did like a wreath and garland marathon. I was making swags, making wreaths, making garlands to get them out and delivered in time, because I promised people, you know, that they could have their stuff. So yes, honey, that's it in a nutshell. Your girl has been stretched out to the max, but I made it happen. And so I am delivering my last little bit of orders, and then I am going to be styling and profiling the royal home. So probably tomorrow I may do a clip, you know, a little insert or whatever, a little intro, and then I'll share with you like what I've been doing. But I kind of want to go ahead and just jump in full force and get holiday styling done. Like I want to be done by the 15th as far as decor wise, and then we can go into some gift giving, all that kind of stuff. Like I don't want to be all month trying to decorate. I want to get it done, give myself a week to be pushing, because I am still working. I'm gonna say by the 15th I want to have the home tour up. Is what I'm gonna do. I'm saying it on camera, so I gotta hold myself to it. So yeah, by the 15th I want to have everything done and share the Christmas home tour with you guys. So yeah, that's it. So I am pulling up now, or about to pull up now to the actual home to deliver this. I'm gonna install it, and I made this insert a little clip at the end of what it looks like, because it's getting dark, so I don't know how it's gonna look, but yeah, I'll see you in a minute.